Good morning. I'm Jen Amos at Weiss Research.
I'm Andy Myers, and this is your morning market alert for Monday, March 21st. Stocks on Wall Street are taking their cues from the Asian and European markets this morning and are set to open solidly higher. Global investors are buying on news that Japan is making progress in its battle to control radiation leaks at the nuclear complex damaged by the earthquake earlier this month. The markets in the US and Europe are also getting a boost from telecom stocks, following a huge deal in that industry. AT&T will buy T-Mobile USA from Deutsche Telekom for about $39 billion in cash and stock.
The deal joins the country's second and fourth largest wireless operators and will vault the combined company over Verizon for the top spot in the industry. Analysts say consumers will benefit from improved quality and coverage in high-speed mobile broadband service. But the tie-up could also mean that the cost of service won't come down as fast as subscribers would like. HSBC upgraded both Deutsche Telekom and AT&T to overweight on news of the deal. Deutsche Telekom is surging more than 12% in Frankfurt, and AT&T is rising nearly 3% in pre-market trading. Verizon is also set to open higher, but Sprint Nextel, the country's number 3 wireless provider, is slumping 13%. It's reportedly worried that the deal will damage its ability to compete by creating a duopoly of AT&T and Verizon.
In other M&A news, General Electric is reportedly among the companies that have expressed interest in ING's U.S. online bank. According to Bloomberg News, GE had an initial discussion with the Dutch financial firm about buying parts of ING Direct to add to its GE Capital unit. Shares of General Electric are rising more than 2% on the news. Another big stock gainer this morning is Tiffany & Company. The high-end jewelry retailer is jumping nearly 5% after reporting a 29% increase in fourth quarter net income. Tiffany also forecasts better than expected earnings for the full year, but its results for the current quarter will be hurt by a slowdown in sales at its stores in Japan.
On the economic front, we'll get a report on February existing home sales at 10 a.m. Eastern Time. And finally, one factor that may limit gains in stocks today: oil prices. Crude is jumping back around $103 a barrel as the conflict in Libya escalates. Muammar Gaddafi vowed to wage a long war amid a second night of international airstrikes. On Friday, the UN Security Council authorized all necessary measures to protect civilians, including a no-fly zone over Libya. Uncertainty in the global markets is also pushing gold sharply higher. It's now trading at around $1,430 an ounce. That's the latest from Weiss Research. We'll be back after the opening bell with all the market reaction.